They're magically delicious. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my second vlog, and I have no clue what I'm going to be doing today. Stay tuned, and you will not be disappointed. Wow, that's so weird. So stay tuned, and you won't be disappointed. See, I'm eating some sorrel for breakfast, but I didn't choose the Lucky Charms, the magically delicious sorrel. I chose the chocolate pebbles. This is Reagan. She wanted to be in the vlog, and I'm gonna keep it at this angle because it's very focused. Yep. Now it's zoomed out. Oh, hi. Hey, Reagan.
You're bald.
Sorry we've been away so long, but we haven't really found the right time. But the time is now. Hi! Welcome to my cooking channel. I'm so excited to start this. So, today we will be making ice cream. First, 2 hard-boiled eggs, of course. Next, jelly. Now who doesn't want some jelly in their ice cream? Next, Turkish cumin, of course. Come on, a little some of that. Sprinkles. And last but not least, a whole thing of garbanzo beans. Enjoy! We've been cooking this mixture for about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours, people! And the final result. Voila! Enjoy! I'm ready to eat it. Now, I can really taste those garbanzo beans, that nice jelly we picked out, and those sprinkles on top. Now this is a great meal. Thank you for watching my cooking channel, and we'll be back sometime soon. Hey, what are you doing now? Twist my hair. This is Putman. Sorry.
What that noise?
Hello. Doll. Batman.
Tickle time.
Ooh, Putty Bear and I decided to go to church. Church time. Is that pizza in the box? Come on. So, as you can tell, I've been doing daily vlogs, and I'm going to keep doing that. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
This is Yoda. Hi.